Upgrading or replacing your tail lights is quick and easy with Optronics trailer light kits and replacement lights. Following are simple step-by-step instructions for upgrading a trailer from incandescent to LED lights. A few basic tools may be needed to remove the old sealed tail lights and install the replacements. Wire cutter, stripper, crimper, needle nose pliers, wire nuts or connectors, electrical tape, dielectric grease, a rubber mallet or a hammer and a towel, and a lubricant like soapy water or spray cleaner. Park the trailer on level ground in an area void of all traffic. If your trailer is connected to a vehicle, apply the emergency brake. Chalk front and back of at least one tire on each side of the trailer. Step 1. Disconnect your trailer wiring from the towing vehicle. Step 2. Remove the old light by tapping it with a rubber mallet or hammer to push it out of the grommet. Once the old light is removed from the grommet, disconnect the plug from the light. Before installing the new light, check to be sure the grommet is in good shape, replacing it if necessary. Step 3. Apply dielectric grease to the pigtail and light terminals. Insert the 3-pin plug into the terminals on the light. Step 4. Insert the new light into the grommet. Use a lubricant such as soapy water or a spray cleaner if needed. Reconnect the trailer to vehicle power and test all trailer lights. Check trailer lights for all the same functions of the vehicle's lights. Parking, brake, turn signals and reverse if the trailer has the reverse function. If you need additional information, see the Optronics website for common troubleshooting fixes or call Optronics Technical Service Department toll-free at 1-800-364-5483.